और अभी आपको दिखाएंगे वजीर आजम शहबाज शरीफ का सऊदी अरब के कौमी दिन के मौके पर पैगाम।
And peace, its efforts to promote interfaith dialogue, understanding, and cooperation through various international forums have been exemplary. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia enjoy a relationship characterized by mutual respect, cooperation, shared values, and enduring friendship that have stood the test of times through all these years. This relation is unique and goes beyond common interstate interaction, as both countries have consistently supported each other in times of need, standing in solidarity during natural disasters and crises, reflecting the depth of the fraternal bond that exists between the two countries. The people of Pakistan join me in acknowledging from the core of our heart the kingdom's generosity in helping stabilize Pakistan's economic situation from time to time. These historic gestures have touched us deeply and profoundly forever. As we celebrate this auspicious day with our Saudi brothers and sisters, I reaffirm Pakistan's commitment to a strong and enduring friendship between our two nations. We will continue to work together to promote peace, stability, and development in the region. May Allah bless the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia with continued prosperity, progress, and success. Long live Pakistan-Saudi Arabia Brotherhood.